बताइए जब शुरू करें। Good afternoon. Myself Jayant Kumar Singh, coordinator of Adarsh Public School, Narehta, Chakarpanpur. First of all, I welcome to the inspection all members of the inspection committee. The Adarsh Public School that is located in Narehta village, that is 20 km away from the Azamgarh city, and it is just located near to Rajki Medical College, Chakarpanpur, Azamgarh. This is the first gate of this institution, and there are two gates. The way that lead to the second gate, and we will enter from here. The way that lead to gate number second. Usually we enter from this side. This is the second gate. Adarsh Public School, Narehta, Chakarpanpur, Azamgarh. And you can see front of the campus, Adarsh Public School. And this is the sports ground for the boys and girls. For the boys and girls, you can see here the volleyball net where the boys and girls they play for their physical development. As you know that the physical development is the basic requirement of the all development of education. And there is another, apart from this, there is the badminton court for both boys and girls. And these are this is the measurement of the volleyball court. Due to COVID, there is no coherence in the institution. The peoples, the boys, they played here with the equipment. There are many sports. There are many sports equipment that are. There are many sports equipment that are provided by the school, and they can choose according to their interest sports. The playground is the place where the students they make their body healthy, and they are trying to develop their physics, because the physical development is the base of the holistic development of education. And greenery, there are some flowers they are planted here, but due to COVID they are not in a proper shape. And and this is the front of the school, the main gate from where the students and visitors enter in the school. And there is the As you can see the notice board for the parents and visitor, they can find any type of information about the admission and school. And the get into register, the visitors come and they mentions their name, designation, phone numbers and address. After the proper reason, they are entered in the office. There is the hand sanitizer due to COVID for the protection of the hygiene. We will enter in the hall of this school. There is the reception for the visitors and the family members of the students. There is the waiting area, and you can see here the office of the school, counter 1, from where the parents and persons get the information about the admission and admissions. This is the counter number 2. You can see the another notice board that is providing the information related to COVID-19, and just beside there is the sea toilet that is occupied for the girls, and you can see the guard. She is the
security purpose.
Aya of this. You can see the urinals and cupboard. There is the wash basin for the hand wash, and there is the proper management of the hand wash sanitizer and soap. And you can see here the sanitary pad box for the girls. This is the principal office. This is the principal office. The principal office is Sri Naveen Rawat, and he watched with the eagle eyes in the camera all the activities of students and staff members. And there is the electric automatic valve that inform to the beginning and ending of the class. And there is you can see here the fire extinguisher that is used for the fire protection in the emergency. And there are some persons and students who are well trained how they can protect from the fire with this instrument. And just a few distance there is the office of director room, the director office, and there is the waiting area. The visitor and the members who want to meet with their problems to the director, they can sit here and take rest. And there is the resting bed for the staff or principal or director. And now you can see the room number 6 that is allotted for the class 2, and there is the proper seated space and these are the air ventilation. You can see here the proper seating space, air ventilation and lighting, and you can see there is a camera that occupy all activities of this class by the teachers and students. Now we are moving room number 3, that is allotted for the class 10. As previous, you can see there is a proper seat arrangement and ventilation. There are 4 fans. They are working properly. There is the whiteboard and blackboard also for the use of teachers. They can emphasize their thoughts. This, there is the computer lab. There are many computers. They are working properly, and computer is working properly, and Mr. Ravi is the computer teachers of this. They handle the computer programs, and they give the proper instructions to the students how they can. And there is the computer register where all informations are mentioned by the teachers and lab assistant, computer assistant. Now we are going to entry in room number 5, that is occupied for the library and reading rooms. As you can see, there are many magazines, journals, newspapers, and competitive magazines. There are the proper seat arrangement for the students. They can study in the as their requirement, and the register of this library is mentioned, the update by the librarians, and the books are allotted and input and output. As you can see, there are almirah. They are well equipped by the books that are related from the all classes, and there are some books according to class. This is the textbook for class 10, and there are so many books that are related from their educational requirement. Some are related from the NCERT. There are some textbooks, and there are many more books. They are providing the best knowledge to the students according to their class and according to their educational needs. And there is also the sitting area. As they feel comfortable, they can sit here with the newspaper, magazine, and channels. 8 fans in this room. They are working properly. Now we are going to, you can see the camera that has eagle eyes for the observation. You can see this camera covered all the area of this gallery. There are 2 more cameras. They are covered the gallery cameras, and now we are, apart from this, you can see there is the office room where the staff are working to solving the problems related from the students, their educational problems and other type of things. And room number 8, that is a file for the chemistry lab. There is the storeroom of the chemistry lab. The chemicals and the materials are provided by the store in charge. There is the chemistry lab register. All information purchasing and stock are mentioned in the register, and you can see the chemistry lab is the well equipped. There is the water tap that is working properly, and you can see here the instrument that is related from the chemistry experiment are provided by the storekeeper and with the assistant of the teachers. There are the compressors, gas pipe that used for the heating of the chemicals and as requirement of the experiment. There is the proper chart of the well of the chemical reaction, and there is also a fire protector extinguisher. There are 6 fans. This is the store of the chemicals where the student can get the chemicals for their experiment by the store in charge. Now we are going to see the other classroom, that is allotted room number 10, that is allotted for the class 1. And the various classes, there are proper seating arrangement and proper air ventilation and lighting. That is the requirement of the best teaching and learning. And you can see here the camera that is covered all the students of this class. And you can see just in front of this room number 9, that is allotted for the store, where the related extra materials of the are kept in the storeroom. And you can see here another camera that covers the gallery of this campus for the proper protection of the children, that are commanded by the principal of the office and the chairman. And now we will see the first floor. There is the way to first floor. You can see here the heat toilets, that is reserved for the boys, and it's clean, and that are bathroom and toilet are always well cleaned by the sweepers. There are the hand wash and bath basin. Now this is the way of the first floor. The stair that leads to first floor. Way of the first floor. The stair leads to the first floor. Now we are entering in the balcony of the second floor. From here you can see the view of the playground and others classroom buildings, and there is also proper arrangement of the fire extinguisher. And this is the staff room toilet that is reserved for the school staff. As you can see, that is also clean and clean. We are working in a multi-purpose hall that is well equipped with the sports equipment such as bat balls, hockey, badminton, football, volleyball, weightlifting set, and there are many more games such as the carom, chess, ludo. Regarding their interest, the children can choose their games for their entertainment in the vacation time. And here is you can see the projector that that is used for the entertainment related to the educational requirement, and there is a projector and the screen of that projector that is working properly, that is organized and commanded by the in charge of the multi-purpose hall. And here you can see the art, and there are some crafts that are made by the students of this institution. And side of the multi-purpose hall you can see the Medicare room that are allotted for the boys who are wounded in the schools, or if they are feeling any type of problem with their health, they can treat by the doctor of this institution. At present he is not here due to the COVID duty, and there is a wheelchair for the handicapped students who is not able to come with their feet and he is not physically fit. You can use this chair. And now you can see there is the bed for the rest of the patient who is not comfortable during the school time. And room number 15, that is reserved for the staff, where the staff can sit and where the staff can sit and read. They can prepare their plan for the teaching in the class, and the washroom is also attached with the staff room. They can use accordingly. And just in front of the staff room you can see the room number 17, that is allotted for the maths lab. There are some instruments that are related with the requirement of the mathematics. As you can see, there are many more instruments. They can solve the problems of the student regarding real books. There are some safe as the triangles, cubic, and there are some chart hanging on the wall. There are the number systems, and they are solving their problems with the indication of this chart. Now you can see the biology lab, the room number 30. The room number 30 is allotted for biology lab. You can see the chart and map and the related material. They are providing knowledge about the muscular system, female urinary system, male urinary system, nervous system, female reproductive system, digestive system, and many more. The life cycles of the mosquito. And there are some models that are related from the biology, such as the worms and various type of the chart they are hanging on the wall. As you can see here, there is the water tap. According to requirement, the student can use the water that is working properly. And you can see here the human diagrams that are providing the knowledge related to the human beings. And there is the tray. There is a tray which can be used by the student for the operations, and you can see the skeleton of the human beings. From there, the student can get knowledge by the instructor, the proper shape of the human body and their bones from head to leg. And there are some human organs such as the eyes, brain, and heart chambers, that is providing the impact knowledge of the student on the biology. There are microscope. These are microscopes that can be used by the students for the slide show, and there are some spotting rods that can help to the students for the learning about the biology subject. And you can see here the biology lab register that are updated by the storekeeper and the lab assistant of the biology. Here the all informations are mentioned on the register. And just in front of the biological lab, the room number 40, that is 5 for the physics lab. The instrument that is related from the physics are provided by the school. The physics lab is the vehicle that fulfill the requirement related of the physics. You can see here there are many parts that help for the proper knowledge of the physics. You can see there are many instruments and the time watch. There is also the water tap that is working properly, and there is also proper measurement of the dry powder for the fire safety. And There is the physics lab register. It's also updated by the store which are the all information of the stock register are mentioned here. Now we are going to now we are going towards the room number 13, that is allotted for class 6, and there is the proper seat arrangement. You can see here now you can see here there is a camera in this classroom that is cover all the activities of the students and teachers. In the view of safety and security, there are many cameras are installed by the school. That is the last room. Now you can see the room number 19, that is allotted for class 9. There is the also proper seat arrangement. And here is the camera that covers all activities and area of this classroom. There are 6 fans. They are working properly. And now we are going to downside of this. Now we are going to downside of the school. Now we are going to ground floor by the stair. That
नीचे ही लगा हुआ है आवाज।
school, from where we first in this building we can see the proper leafing right here. Now you can see the other attached building of this school. That is start from here, the room number 22, that is allotted for class 5th. As you can see, there is the proper seat arrangement and the proper sitting space for the every students, proper lighting and proper air ventilation. There are the 4 fans, they are working in a proper condition. You can see here the blackboard that is used for the teachings by the students. And the room number 23, that is allotted for room number the room number 23, that is allotted for class 4. As the previous class room, you can see there is the proper seat arrangement and proper lighting and air ventilation. There is also a blackboard that used by the teachers and the students as requirement accordingly. You can see the room number 24, that is allotted for class 3. As the previous classroom, there are numbers of chair and table. There are numbers of chair and table. There are proper air ventilation in each and every classes, and proper sitting space, proper lighting, and there is a whiteboard that is hanging on the wall. And you can see there is the room number 25, that is the proposed classroom, and at present it's not proper. There is the room number 26, it's also the proposed classroom, and you can see here the lift, that is, you can see here the lift that is used for the handicapped students who are not able to go from one ground floor to another floor. At present this is working properly, and now we are going to the way of first floor. Of the another building, that is see the another block of the school. This is the first floor of the block, and here you can see the lift, and there is the room number 28, that is allotted for the music room. And you can see here there are some instrument that is related from the music, such as drum, tabla, flute, and many more. These are the speaker that is used according to functions and according to interest of the children who are interested for the dancing and music. There is the lift that is used for the handicapped students who are not able to come from first floor to second floor or ground floor to any floor. Now you can see the first floor of the B block of the building, the room number 30, that is the proposed class room, and this is the boys room number 31, that is allotted for the boys common rooms, and the room number 32, that is also the proposed classroom. And you can see there is also the fire extinguisher that is kept here for the protection of the fire. And you can see the room number 32, that is allotted for class 6, and you can see here the room number 32, that is allotted for class 7. As you can see, there are the proper seat arrangement and the proper seat space for the sitting of the every student of the class. There is a blackboard that provides the proper Now you can see the room number 34, that is allotted for class 8. As the previous class, you can see there is a proper seat arrangement, proper lighting, and proper air ventilation. Proper air ventilation of the class. And you can see the room number. Now you can see the room number 35, that is allotted for class 9. The class number 35, that is allotted for the class 9. You can see here proper seat arrangement and proper lightings and proper air ventilation in the classroom. There is the blackboard that are used by the teacher and student according to their educational requirement. Kalau kata as you see the overview of the school. Once again, I am thanking to all members of the inspection committee and all staff members of this school. Thank you.